Imagine your sink suddenly starts leaking at midnight. Water is dripping. You do not open Instagram and wait for a plumber ad. You do not scroll TikTok for fun. You go straight to Google and search emergency plumber near me. Within seconds, you see ads at the top. Some say 24/7 emergency plumber. Some show phone numbers. Some mention fast response. Some show local service areas. Now here is the real question. Why are these businesses willing to pay money just to appear when you search? Because your search shows strong intent. You do not just want information, you need a solution. And this is why Google search ads are powerful. Most people think Google ads are just paid results at the top of Google, but that is a very basic understanding. Google search ads are powerful because they appear when people are actively searching for something. That means the customer already has a question, need, problem, comparison, or buying intention. In social media ads, businesses often interrupt people. But in Google search ads, businesses respond to what people are already looking for. That difference is huge. So, in simple words, Google search ads are paid ads that appear on Google when people search for specific keywords. But a successful Google search ad strategy is not just about paying Google. It depends on three important things: keywords, intent, and quality score. Let's start with keywords. A keyword is the word or phrase someone types into Google. Examples include buy running shoes, dentist near me, best CRM software, digital marketing course, emergency plumber leads, order pizza online. In Google search ads, businesses choose keywords they want to appear for. For example, a dental clinic may target dentist near me, teeth whitening Bradford, emergency dentist leads, dental checkup appointment. A clothing brand may target buy hoodies online, affordable streetwear, men's oversized hoodie, black hoodie for men. The keyword tells Google when your ad might appear. But here is the mistake beginners make. They think all keywords are equal. They are not. Some keywords show weak intent. Some show strong intent. Some are too broad. Some are too expensive. Some bring traffic but no customers. Some bring fewer clicks but better buyers. This is why keyword selection is not random. It must connect with customer intent. Now let's talk about intent. Intent means the reason behind the search. If someone searches what is digital marketing, they probably want to learn. If someone searches best digital marketing course for beginners, they are comparing. If someone searches enroll digital marketing course online, they may be ready to buy. Same subject, different intent. In Google search ads, intent matters because you are paying for clicks. If you pay for the wrong clicks, you waste money. For example, imagine a business sells premium office chairs. If it targets the keyword chair, that is too broad. The person may want a dining chair, gaming chair, school chair, repair guide, or chair image. But if the business targets buy ergonomic office chair online, that intent is much stronger. The person is closer to buying. This is why smart advertisers do not only ask, what keyword has high search volume? They ask, what keyword shows the right intent? High search volume can be tempting, but high intent is often more valuable. A keyword with fewer searches, but stronger buying intent can be better than a broad keyword with thousands of searches. The third important part is match types. Google Ads allows businesses to control how closely a search must match their keyword. There are different match types, but the basic idea is simple. Broad match can show your ad for many related searches. Phrase match gives more control. Exact match gives the most focused control. For example, if your keyword is digital marketing course, broad match may show your ad for many related learning searches. Phrase match may show your ad when the phrase or close meaning appears. Exact match tries to keep the search more tightly connected. The more broad you're targeting, the more traffic you may get. But the risk is irrelevant clicks. The more specific you're targeting, the less traffic you may get. But the traffic may be more relevant. This is why Google search ads require balance. Too broad and you waste money. Too narrow and you may not get enough traffic. The fourth important part is negative keywords. Negative keywords tell Google what searches you do not want your ad to appear for. This is extremely important. For example, if you sell paid digital marketing courses, you may want to add negative keywords like free, PDF, jobs, salary, definition, internship. Unless those searches match your goal, If someone searches free digital marketing course PDF and you are selling a premium paid course, that click may not convert. If you pay for too many irrelevant searches, your budget disappears quickly. Negative keywords protect your money. They stop your ads from appearing in the wrong places. A beginner ignores negative keywords. A professional checks search terms and removes waste. The fifth important part is ad copy. Ad copy is the text people see in the ad. A good Google search ad must match the user's search intent. For example, if someone searches emergency dentist near me, a weak ad says professional dental services. A stronger ad says emergency dentist available today, book online or call now. Why is the second one better? Because it matches the urgency. It speaks to the problem. It gives a clear action. For someone searching best accounting software for small business, a strong ad may say, accounting software for small businesses, simple invoicing, reports and tax tools. Again, the ad matches the search. Good ad copy should be clear, relevant, benefit-focused, and action-focused. It should tell the customer, you found the right place. This solves your problem. Here is what to do next. The sixth important part is the landing page. A Google ad does not work alone. The landing page must continue the promise of the ad. If the ad says, book emergency dentist today, the landing page should show emergency dental services, location, availability, reviews, phone number, and booking button. If the ad says, digital marketing course for beginners, the landing page should show beginner-friendly lessons, course outline, benefits, testimonials, pricing, and enrollment button. If the ad and landing page do not match, people leave. And when people leave, the campaign performs badly. This is where many businesses waste money. They run ads, but send people to a generic homepage. That is often a mistake. If someone searches for a specific solution, send them to a specific page. The more relevant the page, the better the chance of conversion. The seventh important part is quality score. Quality score is Google's way of estimating the quality and relevance of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. It is influenced by things like expected click-through rate, ad relevance, landing page experience. In simple words, Google wants to know, is your ad useful for this search? If someone searches emergency plumber near me, and your ad clearly offers emergency plumbing nearby, with a useful landing page that is relevant. But if your ad is vague and your landing page is slow or unrelated, the experience is poor. Quality score matters because it can affect your ad cost and position. A better quality score can help your ads perform better and sometimes reduce wasted cost. This is important because Google does not only reward the highest bidder, it also cares about relevance and user experience. So in Google search ads, money matters, but relevance matters too. If your keyword, ad, and landing page are strongly connected, your campaign becomes stronger. Think of it like a chain. The keyword shows what the customer wants. The ad promises a solution. The landing page proves and delivers that solution. If one part is weak, the chain breaks. Now let's take a real-world example. Imagine a local gym wants more free trial bookings. A weak campaign may target broad keywords like fitness, exercise, gym. These keywords may bring traffic, but not all traffic is valuable. A stronger campaign targets gym near me, fitness classes in Bradford, personal trainer Bradford, free gym trial near me. Now, the intent is clearer. The ad says, book a free gym trial in Bradford, beginner-friendly classes available. The landing page shows class photos, opening hours, trainer profiles, reviews, location, and a simple booking form. That is a stronger Google search ad strategy. Now take a software example. A CRM company wants business leads. It targets keywords like CRM for small business, best CRM software, sales CRM for startups. The ad says, simple CRM for small businesses, track leads, customers, and sales. The landing page offers a free demo and shows product screenshots, features, testimonials, pricing, and use cases. That campaign is built around intent. Now take a restaurant example. A restaurant wants more online orders. It targets order biryani near me, food delivery Bradford, dessert delivery near me. The ad should not send people to a random homepage. It should send them directly to the menu or ordering page. Because someone searching order food near me does not want to read a brand story first. They want food, menu, price, delivery time, and order button. That is intent matching. But here is the brutal truth. Google search ads can burn money very quickly if you do not understand strategy. Many beginners open Google Ads, choose broad keywords, write generic ads, send traffic to weak pages, ignore negative keywords, and then wonder why they lost money. The problem is not Google Ads. The problem is poor setup. A search ad campaign is not just choose keyword, write ad, spend money. A real campaign needs research, intent matching, ad relevance, landing page quality, tracking, testing, and optimization. You must check which keywords produce results, which search terms waste money, which ads get clicks, which landing pages convert, which locations perform better, which devices perform better, which times of day perform better, which audience segments are profitable. This is why Google search ads are both powerful and dangerous. Powerful because they capture people at the moment of intent. Dangerous because every irrelevant click costs money. A real digital marketer does not only ask, how do we get more clicks? They ask, are these the right clicks? Does the search show buying intent? Does the ad match the search? Does the landing page match the ad? Are we tracking conversions? Are we removing wasted searches? Are we improving quality score? Are we making a profit? Because performance marketing is not about buying traffic. It is about buying the right traffic and turning it into measurable results. So the simple definition is this. Google search ads are paid ads that appear when people search on Google, and a strong strategy depends on choosing the right keywords, understanding search intent, writing relevant ads, improving landing pages, using negative keywords, tracking conversions, and improving quality score. In digital marketing, Google search ads are powerful because they allow businesses to appear at the exact moment people are looking for answers, products, services, or solutions. And now that you understand Google search ad strategy, the next natural step is to understand meta ad strategy, how creatives, audiences, and retargeting work on Facebook and Instagram. That is what we will break down in the next episode. If this helped you, subscribe and share it. Our mission is to make quality learning accessible to more people, and as we grow, we aim to use part of our future profits to support better education for those who need it.